Oh, how long is that now? How long? 30 minutes? 30. Minutes, I think, wait. Stupid fucking waiting.
But you can take back in not long.
Yeah.
My back foot.
Because they're too lazy to bloody
my back foot.
go back. Go back first. Oh.
Yeah, not long. And then you
Yeah.
sit or 7.
And then scooter. Because too lazy to bring it to the aircraft. Door number 2 over there. Yeah. I get phone. Door number 2 outside now. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Is that the car there? Okay. Can't see. I think it's number 4821. 4821. Toyota. Where? Where? Well, I have to say that that was the worst ever. The plane, I mean, we got off the plane, no problem, there was a wheelchair. However, the scooter was not at the gate, and it was not oversized baggage. It came 30 minutes later, up in a lift. So basically, it was probably stuck at the gate. Someone thought, oh, he probably needs that. So we're now outside, door number 2, and there is traffic till you cannot see any more traffic. Oh yeah, I mean, that was fucking terrible. Really, the worst ever. Nice enough guy though, he was very helpful. Gave him a 50 baht tip. For traffic's not moving anywhere, so even if you was coming in, it'll be a long delay. I don't know where. The amount of chaos this is. You know, that's usual for Bangkok. Oh dear me, where is it? I didn't get to go to the toilet either. Move your ass. We're late, that's why. Oh. Nope, not me. Oh dear me, that's pain in the ass. Is that it? That's it, isn't it? Yeah, 4821. I have to go off on the... No, we do it here. Sorry. Here we are in the taxi at Savannah Airport. We actually landed an hour ago, and I have to say that was slowest ever, caused by the scooter. If they just bring it to the plane like they normally do, instead of being very obtuse, then it would save a lot of time, but obviously they didn't, and basically caused 30-minute delay. But anyway, we're now... Hello. So we're in the taxi. Yeah.
วิ่งเข้าหาเลยเนี่ยเราอ่ะ
วิ่งเข้าหามันเลย
เนี่ยมันตามโค้งไปหา
Oh, hello. Sorry to interrupt the video. Just to say that if you're interested in and keen to watch new episodes before they come out, the best way to do that is become a Patreon, and you can do that very simply. Just go to patreon.com/Andy Wright Online and sign up for a monthly donation, which can be as small as $5. which is hardly anything. If you think about it, you can probably get a cup of Costa coffee if you're lucky. But $5 a month will allow you access to all of the videos that I'm going to be bringing out in the next few months, and you will get them at least a week early, so you can entertain yourself with the new episodes. Sorry to bother you, but now back to the video.
ตก
เดี๋ยวจะวิวนี้ป่ะ
Jai, go turn. Yes.
เลยโรงพยาบาลไปค่ะ
Debua and then Leo Thai.
ตรงข้ามซอย15
Chai. Bloody road,
ซ้าย
the road will be flooded. There we are.
เขาเหล็กมากั้นทำไม
จอด
ถอยนี่แหละเขาเหล็กมากั้น
เดี๋ยวไอ้เช็คแบ็กอิน
Yeah.
โอ้ยเดี๋ยวเอากระเป๋าไปติด
Yeah. Shut the door.
Yeah.
Okay. It's on.
ไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวเอาขึ้น
There's a payment.
อ้อลืม นี่ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
Problem car. Hey, can I have a hand? Oh. 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 Where's the camera?
นี่มาดิอ่ะ
Hello, thank you. Oh. Huntdock. Passport. Whew. I'll put that.
เคยไม่เปิดไฟเลย
76.
เจ็ด
8,
พัน
I think. 7.
7,600ค่ะรวมมาจำนะคะนี่ค่ะเน้นบัสเน้น
Do you want everything or do you just want telephone number? I don't know. They've already got my details. I book on email. Yep. I mean,
เขียนเบอร์โทรแล้วก็ชื่อนามสกุลนะคะ
อันนี้รถมาส่งพี่เหรอหรือรถพี่เอง
ไม่รถมาส่งค่ะ
มาส่งนามสกุลชื่อเบอร์โทรแล้วก็เลยเซ็นกันมองไม่เห็นปีกอันนั้นเขียนลายเซ็นชื่อมองไม่เห็นเลยไม่
good
ใส่
day. Good day for swimming.
ไปตาลี
In the pool. Yeah. Have a pool time. Thank you. Cup of tea.
ดีเลยนะ
Oh. What number?
315
What's that?
Wi-Fi
Oh yeah. I don't need it. Dude, 10 to 4. How are we going to go out? Go out wet, too wet.
เดี๋ยวพักก่อนเหนื่อย
Huh? Pissing down with rain. 5. Oh, 6. I was going up to 6. Seven? 7 floors? I didn't know there was 7 floors. Six? Oh god. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, nobody in there.
เดี๋ยวผมตามไป
Come on in, there's plenty of room. Number?
3
6. Hog. Hog. That's me. No, that's 2. There's no 1, 2. Three. Yay. Okay. Can I? Ay. Không pick up. What number?
313
313. 313. What number? 3 nung. 3 nung ha. Oh, I thought you said Sam.
โอ้นี่ก็315 จะเป็น4,500
Oh. Samung Ha. There we are. Here we are, rainy. Oh my god, fucking rain. Patio wet. Oh dear. What a disaster. And what are they doing?
I don't have plug for
What?
charge back.
Why?
I didn't charge back my clean. Because I charge with you here.
Yeah, I have lots of plugs. Rearrange the furniture well I can. Oh, have to wait for him to come. Here we are. I only have 100. It's a bit much to have 100. I haven't even got 100. I don't want it. Oh. Okay, so we have 1,000 deposit for room plus 1, 2, 3.